guys, my name is Ankur and last week I saw a movie called Spider-Man Far From Home. In that movie there's a jet called the Stark Jet. I liked it so much that when I went to the store to get a surprise Lego, I got the Stark Jet. I was so excited that first thing in the morning when I got up, I built this from scratch. In less than 1 hour I finished. So now I'll explain to you the various characters and features. First up, we have Nick Fury. He's the leader of the Avengers. He has a pistol and a black suit. Next, we have Mysterio. He has a glass helmet, power blasters, a cape, and armor. Next, we have the main character, Spider-Man. He's hanging from his web here. He can attack from down here. Then we have the pilot, Happy Hogan. He has a pistol, a black suit, and he is the pilot. Now I'll explain to you the features. So first we have that thing, and if you press it, Spider-Man can come out. But you can put him back in again, and if you do, you can press it, he comes out. Isn't that cool? I think it is. I hope you think it is too. Okay, then I will explain to you the front feature. You see, Spider-Man has a new suit. You see that green chemical? Next to that is that thing where you program his new suit. And in the back, if you can open it up, and then there's 1, 2, 3 nuclear missiles for emergencies, all in here. And that's all for the Stark Jet. Now we have the bad drones. They have guns, and the drones can see very well. That's why they have binoculars. They are the enemies in this. That's all from me today. Bye. See you soon.